The reason I have to record this in chunks is because the screencasting tool I'm using only allows up to 15 minutes at a time, and I am recording the entire BigBlueButton area, which makes for a pretty large screencast. Okay, what we're doing is we're going to use the markup tool. I'll show you how to get this at the end of this. I'll be covering that after I finish the markup presentation. Okay, here's the markup tool. You have a highlighter, which you can actually put transparent highlights on text with the highlighter. It's also the free movement pen. You can delete that by saying Control-Z or selecting and deleting. Selecting and deleting. It has a square tool and a circle highlight tool and an arrow tool. It also has a fairly helpful text tool. And you can change the colors very easily. Click on this, you get a color picker. These two are supposed to be transparent, but they don't always stay transparent. They're still working on this software. And you can change the size of the text with the slider. You can also change the color of existing shapes. They're a little hard to, there we go, it's selected, and I don't want that. I didn't want to do that either. It's a little picky. This is just showing how you can resize the shape. Okay, that's not the shape I am attempting to resize. I'm attempting to resize line weight. No. Okay. I'm just demonstrating the features of the markup bookmarklet up here. Okay, I'm going to delete the text because it keeps stealing the focus. This is what I'm trying to do. You can enlarge or decrease the size of elements that you've added. And you can delete them. Just click on them to select them. When they're highlighted, you can delete them. And when you're ready to publish, you click that. You slide this to publish. I'm going to go ahead and publish it. And then you copy that and you send that to people you want to discuss it with. And that clicking original page takes you right back to the original page. This is how to get the bookmarklet. You go to markup.io, scroll down, and because I've got a tiny window here, you click on Get Markup, drag it up to your bookmarks bar, and there you go. Okay, and I'm going to stop sharing now because I don't have anything else to share with you. Actually, no, we don't have any common meanings of shapes, colors, and other marks. That's why I'm asking people to, when they do a markup, just write a little bit of text to go along with it. Or you can use the text tool to say, these are my eye tracks that I was tracking, or this is, say for example, I chose to highlight right here. Then I would take the text tool and choose, take the text tool and choose a different color. And we're going to say, this is my estimated eye path. And then I need to make it smaller because it's too big. Does that make sense? Oh, you know what? I stopped sharing. Crud. Okay, here, let me reshare. Oh, I obviously didn't get enough sleep last night. This is what I'm talking about. As soon as it pops back up. This one. This text says, this is my estimated eye path, and I scribbled along here to show you where I was looking. Does that make sense now? And I'm sorry about that. You can add annotations, and you can actually, if you have questions about someone else's markup, you can go in. Let's go into this markup. You can click respond and say keep marks, and you can go in and say, what does this mean? And then click publish, slide to publish, and then you can kind of have a visual discussion with the person whose markup you're discussing. Different colors mean different things to different people. We have had several markups published already in the email group, and people are using different things. I'm mostly leaving things alone when I'm not looking at them. Some people are actually crossing them out with a dark color because they're that invisible to them. Some people highlight what they look at. Some people point arrows at it. What people choose as a significant symbol is going to be kind of subjective. That's okay. But I expect everyone to explain it. And it's better if we all explain what our thought process is in regard to the markup tool. Okay, I'm going to stop this recording, and then we're going to have some more Q&A, and I'm actually going to let you guys ask me audio because there's only 2 of you.